here for your language.
You can choose the audio language or subtitles.
Hi everyone, I'm Amy.
Hi, Emi. Usually I don't comment on any videos, but I have to say, after consistently following this video for about 2 weeks, I can clearly make difference in my hair thickness and length. I do this every night before bed. Thank you for posting this video.
Congratulations, Calabi! In fact, the volume and shine of your hair can make you look younger than your skin does. However, scalp circulation worsens with age. As a result, hair becomes thinner, turns gray, and starts to thin out.
Why does scalp circulation worsen?
One reason is the tension from the neck to the shoulders, which causes the muscles to stiffen. Consequently, blood vessels contract, leading to poor functioning of capillaries. So today, I'm going to share with you a self-massage for the scalp and neck-shoulder area to promote scalp blood circulation. By stimulating the capillaries in the scalp right away, it starts repairing the shine and elasticity of hair and scalp.
Stop whenever you need to.
Grab a mirror and let's get started.
Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe button to make it habit. If you become a paid member, you can get exclusive amazing videos every month to make it easier for you to achieve your goals faster. Join Amy's membership by hitting the link in the comment section. Let's get 20 years younger with me. Here we go! Now put your hands on your knees like this and bring your shoulders closer to your ears like this. And keep.
Come on! Let's keep them squeezed tightly. This movement will loosen the inner muscle of the shoulder blade, the rhomboid muscle. A little more. And release.
Bring your shoulders closer to your ears and breathe in. And breathe out. Now, massage here.
Observe the stiffness of the neck muscle. Your massage will loosen it. Don't stop while ads are on.
And now the other side. Now relax your arms and slowly bow and lower your head. Relax your back, relax your hands, relax your face. Breathe deeply.
Loosen the neck muscle. Relax your body. Feel the blood coming down to your head.
And slowly roll up. Tighten your stomach and slowly up. And now sandwich your upper ears and gently shake.
There are large lymph nodes around the ears. Let's shake away the wastes from your face.
Massage top of your head.
Don't stop while ads are on.
Now put your elbow on the table and now rest your side of your head and massage like this.
Massage the fascia of the scalp. It's getting softer little by little, isn't it? The elasticity of the scalp shows the age of your face.
Now the other side.
Do you feel that softening of the scalp here? Good job. Keep going.
And now try to pinch your scalp around here.
Try to gather your scalp.
And now the other side. And now massage the hairline like this.
Massage as you breathe deeply. Feel that your fascia becoming softer and softer. Don't stop while ads are on.
Put your elbow on the table and use here. Put it on here and uplift your orbital bones and support your other hand on here and try to sandwich your head and try to uplift together.
Put the right hand on your left eyebrow. Lift the orbital bones as you breathe out slowly. I don't want you to put too much force to do this. Just relax and uplift a little bit.
And the other side also. Put it on here and sandwich and uplift together.
Now put your left hand on the right eyebrow. Lift the orbital bones as you breathe out slowly. If you press too hard, you might have headache, so please avoid that. Feel that the back of eyes getting refreshed? and you will be able to feel your eyes open more widely.
Your left hand grabbing your neck like this and push with your thumb right here. Breathe deeply.
Use your thumb to firmly massage the base of the neck muscles.
And next, slide it to the another point. Breathe deeply.
Yes, you feel it, right? This will be the switch to change your body.
And now with your right hand, grab your neck and press with your thumb. Breathe deeply. And now slide it to the next point. Breathe deeply. And now release your hands. Breathe deeply. And now 3 fingers pushing this part. Massage as you breathe deeply.
Don't stop while ads are on.
And now the other side. Breathe deeply. And now find your top of your head.
Put your thumbs on the ear top, and it is where the middle fingers meet.
Now press here.
This is where a tsubo and the crown chakra is located. This acupoint is said to be the point where 100 energy streams meet. So it has so many benefits for your mind and body by just pressing it.
Now knock your head. You can either use your joints or your fingertips like this.
There is skull suture here. That's why knocking like this, the secretion of bone hormones accelerates. If you get tired, you can put your elbows on the table.
And now here,
Gently knock on the suture. Knock, knock. Come out to me. Your body is receiving your stimulation and starting to turn on the rejuvenation switch. Don't stop while ads are on.
and now here.
These parts are delicate, so be extra gentle to do it.
Something about me feels strange. Something is just not the same. I haven't been thinking about you, even when I should.
Rub your hair like this and lift up and release. Lift up and release.
Oh, this feels so good. And it works to reduce gray hair and hair loss too. Don't stop while ads are on.
Put your hands on your scalp like this.
Something about you was off. Something about you was off. But I was too blind to see it. Too in love to know. Oh, somebody told me get lost. Somebody gave a heads up. But
I'm so glad that you chose to embrace yourself with love. You are amazing. Your one step today is a great investment to your future beauty. Let's grow our beauty more together with me again.
Sandwich here and rotate slowly.
Don't stop while ads are on. Listen to me until you finish this massage.
If you like this video, please hit like button. That really encourages me. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. My goal is to make the world's biggest over 40 health and beauty channel with you, and you. Send me a cheer by hitting the subscribe button. Now I recommend these videos for you. See you in my next videos.